Mars LED lighting systems can transform into multiple configurations to meet almost any requirement. Energy efficient with an aesthetical appeal, Mars allows for easy installation or a simple retrofit. With a heat tolerance of up to 50 degrees Celsius, Mars is suitable for use even in harsh environments. To ensure the highest quality output and temperature performance, Mars has undergone extensive and rigorous testing in the EnergyWise Lighting Laboratory. The Mars fitting is designed and assembled in South Africa with high-quality European components. The option of bi-level dimming and onboard occupancy sensors are just one of the many features of the Mars fitting. This customizable fitting offers various mounting options, optical solutions, and the option of constant light output.